Kelly DeMail.
And I'm Bruce DeMail.
And we're DeMail Real Estate with eXp Realty. And we have been lucky enough to be in this industry for about 27 years and are excited that we're kind of like getting our toes wet in the development business. We're very excited to present Montgomery Meadows to the public.
Yes, we are.
We are out at Montgomery Meadows and we're actually standing in one of our spec homes. It's a villa, and a lot of people really don't know the difference between a villa or a single family or a townhome. So really a villa is a single family home. However, you get the best of all worlds because you get your own home, but we do the maintenance for you. So we'll be doing the lawn care and the snow removal for you, but you aren't attached to any other home or building like a townhome would be. We're located right on the border between Rochester and Byron. So we're right on the city limits of Rochester, so you get all the benefits of those amenities, being close to Costco and only a few miles from Mayo Clinic, but yet you're still in the Byron School District, which is a huge plus in our community. The fantastic part about this community, obviously it used to be farmland at one point in time. The views of these meadows and valleys, I think, are probably some of the biggest selling features of this community. And the lot sizes are at least a half an acre for single family homes on up over an acre in this first phase. There are future phases where we'll get to larger home sites that could be even up to 5 acres. One of the questions we get asked quite a bit is, can I make my own selections? Well, we're in the middle of construction on this home, as you can see, and we're through the drywall stage. So at this point in time, typically a builder has already ordered a lot of their products, so the selections have been made. But if you can get a spec home or you're building from scratch, that's maybe at the framing stage, there's still plenty of opportunity for you to make those selections and make it really your own. A lot of people ask us, what's my final project going to end up being as far as money? So the square footage will dictate your final project cost, but I would say on average what we've seen out here is anywhere around that $600,000 range on up to over $1 million. So out at Montgomery Meadows, we are open to any builder. So for single family homes, any builder can come on out here and build your home or your project. If you're looking at a villa, which is the single family homes and maintenance free, John Cravath with Cravath Homes, they build those exclusively. And John is an award-winning builder, has been building in this area for over 30 years.
So I started building in probably about 94. Went on my own in 97, partnered with another gentleman, kept that business until 2004 when he bought that business and I started Cravath Homes. In 2004, I was president of Rochester Area Builders, so I've been very active in the community. The subcontractors that we use, I've had the same people for 20, 25 years. And rather than just getting anybody, I've just kept with the people that have helped make us successful. I've been involved in different transactions with Kelly and Bruce over the years. I've found them to be extremely honest, upfront, no issues.
Finding the right home site can be difficult and actually dependent on the type of home that you're wanting to build. But once you do find that perfect location, how we secure that for you is we'll fill out a lot hold while you're going through your plans and pricing out your project, and then when you're ready to move forward, we'll move into a purchase agreement so that you can secure that home site.